update. We are on I-35 southbound and in the red car. And we're going to go take this back to the storage garage that I have in northern Iowa, in the town I grew up in. And it's 2 hours south of where I live, so it's not super convenient, but it's also not the worst thing in the world. Pop in, visit my parents, and anyhow, the car is running well. Air fuel seems to be okay. I get an occasional check engine light, but it seems to be running just fine. It's not loading up or getting too crazy, so I do believe it's probably a mass airflow sensor issue primarily. Situation update, we are about halfway there, and everything is still going well. Everything's fine, all the temperatures are good, air fuel is still good, and the car cruises along nice and smooth, so far so good. Well, as you can see, the car made it the 2-hour trip south to the storage garage, and now we're going to pull this one out of storage and drive this back to Minneapolis. And just like that, we are back in the Pearl car and ready to head back north. And cruising along nicely, just heading out of Iowa here, just about to come up on the Minnesota border. And the Pearl car is just happy as can be. It sat for months, fired right up, and away we went. All right, officially made it back with the Pearl car. So now we're gonna start a few things with that. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna do first on this one. Tomorrow is a day of swapping wheels and tires because snow is going to happen here soon. So I need to get rid of all the Z-rated summer tires and get all the snows on here. So anyhow, where there was once red, there is now Pearl. So we got this one back, and this one needs to get an ECU update. I've got new software for it and a 3-bar boost map sensor. So I need to get that done, and I got a few other things I have to do this, but we'll get to that next time. But on a positive note, the red car made it down without any drama whatsoever. No weird running. I did have a check engine light blink a couple times, but that was it, and then it kind of cleared up and never saw it again. So it may be cured with that new MAF, but we'll, like I said, in the spring we'll attack that one once more. But for now, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.